Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. So today we bring another video for you guys related to our career counseling series, and our today's topic is to guide you guys that how to become a C-suite executive. In our today's video we will have a brief overview of the top level executives of the company, the skill set that is expected from them in today's modern business world, and how you can work on developing and acquiring the required skill set and get ready and polish yourself to become a C-suite executive in the future. So guys, our today's video is going to be interesting for you guys. We are going to share valuable content. Stay tuned with us till the very end. And as always, if you have any questions, you can post us in the comment section or also connect us on our Facebook or LinkedIn pages. Thank you. So guys, let's have an overview of what is a C-suite executive. C-suite executives term refer to executive level managers within a company. Common C-suite executives include following positions: Chief Executive Officer. This position is normally the highest in the company and he is responsible for managing the company and maximizing its value. Chief Financial Officer is a strategic business partner who works with CEO in enabling the maximization of value and acts as a guardian of the financial assets resources of the company. Due to his financial background, he is able to analyze the decisions, work on feasibility studies, evaluate the company's current financial position and performance, and help the CEO in driving a strategy that will enable the achievement, the vision and mission of the company. Chief Operating Officer is involved in managing the operations of the company and is assisting directly the CEO of the company. Chief Information Officer is an individual who is managing technological infrastructure, data security, and he works on alignment of business with the latest technological advancements so that business is able to provide the best value to its current and potential customers by the use of technology and technological advancements. Let's have a look at the skills that C-suite executives are required to possess in modern business world. They are required to be strong, inclusive, and inspiring so that they can motivate and lead the people towards the achievement of strategic objectives of the business. They are required to have a strategic vision of what they want to do, where they want to be in the next 5 years, 10 years, develop 5 years, 10 years plan for the business, and then sell that plan to all the stakeholders so that everyone owns it and works together as a team for its achievement in the long run. Flexibility and the ability to manage change is one of the keys success factors for C-suite executives. They are required to be principled and able to lead by example. Resilience and ability to manage adversity is another key skill. Innovation is the key. You have to work on process improvement, automation, and innovation on a continuous basis to be brand leader, to be industry leader, and to run a successful business in modern business world that is very versatile, that is changing at a very rapid pace. So you need someone at the top level who believes and lives innovation. Decision maker, he or she should be able to make the decision, the power to make the decision. Efficient and result orientation, collaborative, communicative, and a good listener. Guys, now let's have a look at how we can work on achievement of these skills. If we do achieve the skills, then the achievement of position will automatically follow, and there will only be a span of time until you get your desired C-suite role. Let's discuss a few methods by which you can acquire the required skill set from C-suite executives. You can attend workshops on leadership, on management, on change, on flexibility, on diversity, on inclusion. You should be driving innovation and change in your current roles that will polish your skills and that will prove you as a change agent. Business strategy courses should be attended. You should network with C-suite executives, with industry leaders, with brand leaders, with your corporate mentors, with professional bodies, managing a team in your current roles and maybe outside in some other activities. Mentorship discussions and learning from current C-suite executives. Reading books on leadership and management will polish yourself. Participate in activities other than jobs like cultures, clubs, Toastmaster, cross-functional team sports, personal branding and LinkedIn platforms can be used. Connection with executives. You should be open on your vision and objectives, and you should be confident enough to share them in the meetings. Physical activity and healthy lifestyles is also very, very important to lead you towards your dream role. So guys, the road to C-suite executive is you develop the skill set and proven track record to demonstrate skills expected from a C-suite executive. You are on the way to your dream position until only a matter of time. You should be a change agent. You should be flexible, inspiring, motivational, and vision-oriented in your current roles. Network with C-suite executives, professional bodies, and clubs. Membership will be beneficial for you. Connect with the leaders in your domain. Be attached with your corporate mentors. Have specific examples in your profiles where you have added value in your current roles that will enable you to sell you as a C-suite executive whenever there is a chance or an opportunity for you guys. Brand yourself and be visible. LinkedIn is an ideal platform where you can connect with industry leaders, brand leaders, C-suite executives, learn from them and make yourself apparent and visible. Appropriate resume that explains that how you can perform and how you relate yourself to a C-suite executive. Stay tuned, motivated, and keep on working hard, and the success will follow. So guys, the very best of luck. Yes, C-suite executives should possess, and they do possess, technical skills, but at the top of the company you can always hire technical experts in your team, but what is most important is the soft skills. You need to be a good communicator. You need to have good listening skills. Inspiring, motivation, leading others is the key to success. Visionary, change management, flexibility, adaptability to enable you to lead your business as the brand leader, as an industry leader, and set high standards of achievement. So guys, very best of luck. I believe all of you want to be a C-suite executive at some point of time in your career. If you do, then start working on the skill set that we have shared with you guys from today so that you can acquire it and polish it and then prove it in your current roles in the next 5 to 10 years, and then acquire your dream positions. Best of luck guys. Thank you for being with us. Allah Hafiz.